That's a funny smell. So I decided to go to the movies tonight, which is probably gonna be a bad idea because I kind of wanna go jogging tomorrow morning, but I don't know. Cause look outside. It is just snowy and gross and disgusting. But I'm gonna go see Maze Runner, the third one, the whatever, something. I don't know what it's called. So I have been sitting at this light for like 10 minutes and nothing's happened. Oh my goodness, we're gonna go. No, we're not. We're not going. That we're going. The people on the opposite side of the road coming my way got to go, but we don't get to go. We got no green light. It's still red, and there's like a ton of people here. Everybody's turning around. I just have a feeling I'm gonna sit here forever and then nothing's gonna happen. I'm turning around. Should I turn around? Is it illegal? No, I'm not gonna. I feel like a cop's gonna pull me over. 3 people already did it, or maybe it was 2, I don't remember. But they didn't get pulled over, but knowing my luck, I'll probably get pulled over if I do. They still have their Christmas lights on. What's that about? Oh my goodness, did we get a green light? We got a green light, what? Woo! Green light. Oh my goodness. It hit red. The little hand is now counting down. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, their light's going red. Let's see if we actually get a green light this time again, please. Okay, they got a green turning light. Okay, they're still turning and we don't have a green light. You gotta be kidding me. We didn't get a green light. I'm gonna give it one more shot. If it doesn't give us a green light this time, I think I'm just gonna turn around. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, their light's going. Oh, their light didn't even go amber. What was that? What was the countdown for? Because their light's, it's still green. Oh, okay, now it's going amber. There we go, amber. And that one's red. Oh my goodness, we got a green light. Hold on, put you down. I'm finally here. Let's go watch a movie. So there are these kids outside and they're throwing snowballs at each other and they don't realize that I'm actually sitting in my car and one of them just got snow off my car. I want to show you guys the weather because it's nasty gross. Oh, I just stepped in a puddle. It's actually not as bad as I thought it was. It's still not fun though. Oh, it's cold. I'm gonna go inside now. It's so gross outside.
How you doing? I talked to you on the phone. Take these. Yep, that's what I need. Are you paying with cash or card? It's just, I can help you guys right here if you want, or you can go to the kiosk.
I still have like, they haven't even started the next showing. So there's a 7:15 showing and an 8:15 showing. I'm the 8:15 showing and they haven't even started the 7:15 showing. There's a clock. There's not a single clock in this entire place. So this movie really needs to be good because the last one really sucked. I love the first one. Okay, the reason why I love these movies, the Maze Runner movies, is because the first one was like $30 million was the budget. It's like a super low budget. And then the next one was like $60 million. It was basically just a zombie movie, and that was meh. So I'm really hoping this one's not a zombie movie, or at least not zombie-like. It needs to be a good movie. It needs to go back to its roots. So I'm hoping that it's good. If it's not, then I just wasted my night for nothing. Okay, so I always thought these movie theaters were like really cold. Every single movie that I've seen here, I've had to wear my coat like in the movie theater, in the house, in the theater room, because it's so cold. If you see right here, where this guy is standing, that is a rack with blankets on it for 10 bucks. That's cheap. Actually, that's expensive, but that's cheap. I'm just gonna kind of play on my phone now until the movie starts. Yeah. Ready? So the manager guy just came over and talked to me because he thinks I'm creeping or something. Makes sense though. They're gonna be seating for my showing now, so I'm gonna go and go watch my movie. I am the only one in the theater right now. I've never been in a theater house this empty, but I wanna show you what this looks like. Look at these seats. These seats are actually really, really comfortable. It is always so cold find these theater houses. Oh. Just got out of the movies. That was a really good movie, but it was really sad. So I can't actually go home yet. There is like a thin layer of ice across my windshield. So I have to go scrape it off now.